Hey guys, Tony here. So I wanted to do a really quick TA video on Bitcoin and why currently I am in shorts as of right now. Let me see. You guys can see right here. I am in this current short right now. Have a stop loss at 56147 and a take profit at 48795. And again, this is more of a hedge than anything else. We did close bear for yesterday, for October 8th. And we are creating clear tops, right? You already have the red MA over the blue MA on the stochastic. So keep in mind, this is a hedge. This is not me expecting that we're 100% gonna drop, like $10,000 on Bitcoin, especially because you have a pretty clear, trend, right? Ever since September 29th. So essentially for the last couple of days of September, and for like the first week of October, week and a half or so, we have been trading on range. But like I said, keep in mind, this is essentially just a hedge against, Bitcoin actually trailing down and us retracing. But the real reason why I'm actually in this hedge is because my price target, right? I think that's the top right there. So the real reason why I'm in this hedge, I know I got a lot of things going on, but if you guys can see, my price target is 9966, right? A drop from daily highs to here. The reason why I took the short is because it perfectly aligns with a 0.618 on the fib, which is a golden number for retracement. That's the only real reason why I actually took the trade on a short, right? But again, I have a really tight stop loss. I have a long TP down to like 50K. And I'm currently in like 3 shorts right now on my Forex account. But that is the main reason why I actually took the short on Bitcoin, because there's too many confluences for me to not take that risk, right? Or at least hedge on Bitcoin potentially dropping that far, because that would be a 17% drop. It's not a big drop because we're still going to be around like we would still be above 45K and stuff. I'm not saying we are going to drop, but there was too many confluences, too many things happening, and the 0.618 retracement fib, as it's too much of a coincidence for me to not take it, at least as a hedge. So as of right now, I am hedging that Bitcoin will drop. I'm not saying it will, but I have too many confluences on my side to not really, to not take this trade. So short term, I would say I'm neither bullish nor bearish on Bitcoin. I think tomorrow is going to be the final conclusion. You guys already know that as soon as Bitcoin closes a bullish week, I am 100% bullish on crypto overall. That's what I've been waiting for the last couple of months, or the last month or two, ever since we had that drop. We already knew that we were going to drop this much because the monthly on Bitcoin closed bearish, right? And we everybody that that follows me already knew that we were going to crash, because it's a basic historical pattern. But again, Bitcoin right now, the only reason I'm in this short is because it was just too much of a coincidence to not be. I'm not saying it will be. You're not saying it will drop 10K, but I'd rather be careful and safe and hedge, make some money if we do drop. And in the process, I only risk a couple $100 if I do get stopped out. But as of right now, definitely in shorts. I'm going to see what happens to Bitcoin. If we do break above this trading range, then we are headed to 60K. But as of right now, I think shorter term time frames do show, bearish momentum. But again, I'm really just kind of winging it to see what can happen with Bitcoin right now. Should probably extend this trend a little bit higher. I'll do it later. But yeah, Bitcoin, really nothing but sideways trading. I want to see if the trend actually gets broken. If we go to the high side, or if we actually break trend and break support under 52,984, and in which case we do break support, I think there's a strong chance we drop down like 10K. That's my wife. Well, yeah, quick update on Bitcoin. not really worried too much about whether it goes up or down in short term, short positions. And really all we're waiting for is range to get broken. So, we'll see what happens this weekend. Not too much going on though. I'll see you guys later.